Hello students, how are you? So dear students, you might be doing well at home, you might be being with the books and you might be studying well. We have completed the first unit of English and we were to start the second unit from today, but there has been some change in the books. So I would like to remind you regarding the change of the book which has been done by the school management by the order of the government. So still today we were following the old books which were published by Holy Faith International, but from today we will not follow that book, and from today itself we are going to follow this book which has been published by the State Board of Education in Gujarat. So this book is the first semester book English. This is the first language, standard is 7th, and you have to follow this book which has been published by the Gujarat Council of Education and Training. So it is by GCERT, Gujarat Council of Education and Research Training, and these books are being published by Gujarat Secondary Education Board. So from today onwards we will follow this book, and if you are not having, this book is available in the Puja stationery. One bookstore is there, you might be knowing that, and from there you have to purchase this book, and you have to follow this book. We will start learning different chapters which have been included here. I will tell you about the inclusion of the chapters which has been included in the book. We have the first chapter, exploring words. This is the first chapter which you will have here, and second one will be exploring puzzles. Puzzles, you might be knowing that there are different type of puzzles which you will have to solve in this chapter. You will learn one by one what are the puzzles given here and what are the riddles given here. There will be some extra riddles and puzzles also given to you for your extra information, and the third will be exploring advertising. So advertising means the ad thing, the business of ad, presenting your product or your services to the human beings or the society people is known as advertising. So here in this chapter you will learn about the exploration of advertisement. You will learn how to add, where to add, for whom to add, and how to begin with that. You will also have to make some ads for different products which will be given to you. Next is exploring poetry. Poetry, you all know the poetries are some stories written in a poem form. The poets have added their own beliefs and whatever they think about some situations, they make in a rhythmic form and make a poetry. So we will learn poetry, how to form poetries, what are the exact meaning. Sometimes the words which are included in the poetry do not convey the same meaning as they are. So that time they will convey different meanings, and we will learn how to understand the exact meaning which is being conveyed by the poet. Next is exploring values. Exploring values means you will explore, you will find new things regarding the values. There are different type of moral values, mathematical values, rhythmical values, grammatical values. You will learn about different things in this chapter, exploring values. And the final one is exploring patriotism. And finally we will have the revision. Exploring patriotism means you will learn about our country, the feelings which is related to our country, like our defense, our society people, our neighbors, our country, then neighboring countries. Different things are included there regarding our country, and country peoples. We will learn about them here in the exploring pattern. Exploring is to find out new things about something. So here you will find new things regarding symbols. Symbols can be anything. Exploring puzzles means you will find new things about puzzles and riddles. Exploring advertisement means you will find new things regarding the advertisement. Advertisement is I think a clear concept for you all, but we will again try to find something new here. Exploring poetry means finding new things. What is the next level of poetry? What is the real meaning of poetry conveyed by the poet? We will find these things. Then we will explore the values, means the new things regarding the values, the moral values, ethical values, mathematical values, grammatical values, values in the social. Then here in the exploring patriotism, we will find new things regarding our country or patriotism. Finally, we will revise all these things. These all things are included in first semester. We will have one more book which will be included in the second semester, and we will discuss regarding that book after completing this first term. Then we will start the second term after the Diwali vacations, maybe, if you are having that. So from today onwards you will have to follow this English book. I will again show you this book. This is for standard 7th English, published by the state government of Gujarat under the publishing concept of GCERT, that is Gujarat Council of Educational and Research Training. It is located in the Gandhinagar. Just I will show you the first chapter here. What is exploring symbol? It is based upon the thoughts given by Rabindranath Tagore. So after that we will discuss all these chapters will have different activities. We will do one by one, and we will try to learn the exact meaning which is given in the book. So if you are not having the books, purchase this. These books are available with the Puja bookstore. You might be knowing where it is located. And after this, you have to complete your fair notebook also. Before you do any changes in your fair notebook, I will request you not to make any new notebooks. If you have already made regarding this old book, keep it as it is. Don't make any changes in that, because education never gets ruined, never gets old. Whatever you have studied in the chapter 1.1 to 1.4, it will be beneficial for you. You will get really a good education regarding that. So do not make any changes in that books. If you have made it till 1.1 to 1.4, keep it as it is. We may take test regarding that also, because on 29th of this month you will have one unit test which will be included from this first or second lesson, maybe 2 lessons or any one lesson, whatever we will complete. The question papers will be from the education board department. We will not make the question papers. So study nicely, because 29th of July 2020 you will have the first unit test of English and mathematics. So start preparing this. Till today, if you have followed the old book, that was good for you, but from today onwards you will have to follow this book. The book has been assigned by the school management. We are not changing anything regarding this. This thing has been changed just because the government has ordered us to do. So please don't feel bad regarding this thing. Whatever you have studied, this will give some increasement in your knowledge itself. So from today onward, we will follow this book, and you will get a new video regarding the first chapter of this book very soon. Okay, dear students. So whatever you have studied, keep that in mind, and next be ready for the new lectures. Thank you so much.